Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have an exciting topic about how to make money online in 2023. As we all know, the online landscape is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the game, it's crucial to tap into the latest trend. Buckle up, because in this video, I've got a treasure trove of insights, strategies, and cutting-edge trends that are going to transform the way you think about online opportunities. The online world is like a vast and ever-changing landscape filled with opportunities waiting to be discovered. It's a landscape that's evolved, shifted, and expanded over the years. And if you're looking to carve your path to financial freedom, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of strategies and methods, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible era we're living in. The internet has transformed not only how we communicate and access information, but also how we earn a living. As we step into 2023, the digital landscape has never been more promising, dynamic, and full of potential. Think about it for a moment. The ability to work, create, and thrive without geographical constraints. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, a budding freelancer, or someone who's just dipping their toes into the vast ocean of online possibilities, this video is your roadmap to navigating the digital world and unlocking doors to financial abundance. So, grab your favorite beverage, find a cozy spot, because in the next few minutes we're going to explore the realms of freelancing, the booming world of e-commerce, the art of content creation, the profitability of online courses and digital products, and even take a daring dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're here seeking a side hustle to supplement your income, looking to replace the 9-to-5 grind, or dreaming of building a digital empire, this video is tailored to you. I've done the research, sifted through the trends, and curated a guide that not only informs, but empowers you to take action. Now, let me be clear. Making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about embracing the opportunities that align with your skills, passions, and dedication. It's about understanding the digital terrain, adapting to its shifts, and strategically navigating the online waters. So are you ready to embark on this digital expedition with me? If you are, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive headfirst into the exciting world of making money online in 2023. I'm thrilled to be your guide, so without further ado, let's get started. 1. Freelancing opportunities. One of the most accessible ways to make money online is through freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with talented individuals. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there's a gig waiting for you. Tips for success. Showcase a killer portfolio. Set competitive but realistic prices. Build positive client relationships too. E-commerce and dropshipping. With the rise of online shopping, e-commerce remains a lucrative option. You can start your own online store or dive into dropshipping, where you sell products without holding inventory. Platforms like Shopify make it easier than ever to get started. Key steps. Find a niche with demand. Use social media for marketing. Optimize your website for conversions. 3. Content creation and monetization. Creating content has never been more rewarding. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or a blog, there are various ways to monetize your creativity. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing are just a few avenues to explore. Pro tips. Consistency is key. Engage with your audience. Diversify income streams. 4. Online courses and digital products. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy provide excellent opportunities. You can also develop and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, or software. Steps to get started. Identify your expertise plan. Your course structure market through various channels. 5. Cryptocurrency and investing. Display cryptocurrency market trends. The world of cryptocurrency continues to capture attention. While it involves risk, many have found success through trading, investing, and even mining. Just remember to do thorough research and understand the market before diving in. Basic principles. Stay informed about market trends. Diversify your investments. Only invest what you can afford to lose. There you have it, folks. These are just a few ways to make money online in 2023. The internet is full of opportunities, so find what aligns with your skills and interests. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.